Hey guys, back here with another video. This is Rider Drawer, and today we're gonna be customizing these shoes right here. My hooping shoes. Like I play basketball when I have free time. So yeah, we're gonna be customizing these, and let's get into it for sure. Yo guys, back here in the studio, and it's time to start customizing. So the shoes are right here, and yeah, we're gonna get it customizing because, as you've seen, these shoes are kind of dull, in my opinion. So I gotta put my flavor to it and customize. So let's get into it. Yo guys, finally done, and here's one of the sneakers that I did for my basketball playing and enjoyment. Look at these. Okay, like right here is like a dude sorta. It's kind of hard to like, you know, paint or draw on flying it, which I didn't know until I tried it and it was too late, so I was like, I just gotta, you know, go with it. So yeah, this one is okay, it's decent, but this one right here, I like this one way better. It's a little more plain, but it's a little more like, you know, stylish at the same time, in my opinion. I like the left one better, right here. This one for sure. This one, they're both fakes. This is the whole video, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you know, more videos coming, you know. Stay tuned, and yeah, I'm out.